Hello, I'm going to take you through how to use the school-based assessment system today. And this is how it is. I will open it. So when you open, there's a welcome screen. The welcome screen takes you through how to use the system. So the first one tells us what the system is about. So it's about class management, subject management, term, student, score, promotion, report management, and settings management. When we come to the bottom here, there's a checkbox here. In case you don't want to see this tutorial again, you just click on the checkbox and that is it. And the next one is skip tutorials. In case you want to just go straight to the login page, you just skip the tutorials. It will send you to the login page. And on my right side here too, there's a next button. In case you want to see the next tutorial, click on it and the next button will take us to the login page. Click on it, it takes us to classes page, then subject page, come to terms page, students page, scores page, reports page, and promotions page. When you look down here too, in case you want to go back and click on back, go to next, then if you click on OK, it will take you to the login page. I'm not spending my time here because I'm going to walk through with you. That's why I'm not spending my time here. I click on OK, then it brings us to the login page. Since this is the first time of opening or launching the application, there's no user account, which we have to create one. In that case, I'll come to register here. I'll click on it. The registration form will open. I'll enter the first name, but please take note, whatever information you enter here, in case you forget your password and you want to recover it, there is the information you'll be asked to provide. So make sure you enter what you think you'll be able to remember. Don't just enter anything. The first name, say do, the last name, then come to gender, come to date of birth. Let's use the date picker here. We are in 2025, so let's go down a bit. Now 2015 is okay, so let's select the date. Come to username, just add your username by phone. Alright, then we come to password. The password, just enter your password. Come to user level admin. Yes, there are different user levels here, but if you are the main user, make sure you choose admin, since the admin has more options or more control on the database than the other users. Come to security question 1. So the security question, there are multiple questions here. You choose the question you want, then you give your answer, the answer to that question. The next one, choose the second question, then you choose your answer. Come to upload picture. So browse to where your pictures are, then select the picture. After that, you click on register. The password you entered do not match. Okay, say the passwords do not match, but down here we have show or hide password. Click on it to see where the problem is. So here the A, there are 4 A's here, but when it comes here, the A's are what? 3. Let me add 1 to it. You come to register. Alright, now it has been registered successfully. Click on OK. Then you come to the login page. So we enter our username, do, then the password. So here, in case you want to show your password, you can show it. Come to login. There is our database. Consider my name and my picture, they are all showing here. The first thing you do is to go to add classes. So go to class, you add your class. Depending on how or the nature you want to name your class, you can add it any way you want. Save it. Then you come to, let me add one more class. Okay, so now just close this one. Go to class again. If you want to see all the classes that have been added, that is it. In case you want to make any changes or editing, click on this one to open the class and you make any changes. In case you want to delete a class, click on the delete button, and it will ask you to confirm. The moment you just click yes, it will delete it. I don't want to delete, so I'll go to no. Come to subject, come to add subject. So the subject is going to be mathematics. Save it. Then another one, add this one to save it. Alright, just close it. So now you come to subjects, all subjects, the same thing. In case you want to make any changes, in case you want to make any changes, just say computing. So just save it. Okay, and you see automatically it has made the changes are taking effect here. Click on OK, close. Then come to subject. We are now in subject. Come to terms. So the term, go to add terms. So what term are we dealing with? Just say term 1. Term 1, you save it. Okay, close it. Then we come to all terms. Yes, this is what the terms you just added. You can delete in case you want. Come to term details, add term details. Select the term 1, academic year. So what will be the academic year 2025-2026? Then come to number of weeks. So how many weeks are we spending this 2025-2026? Let's say 14. Number of holidays, let's say 2. So the vacation date, let's select a date. Then reopening date, let's select a date. The reopening date, let's go to the following month. Alright, now the head teacher signature. Before this one, you have to make sure you get the picture of your head teacher signature. Click on the icon here, then you select the head teacher signature. I already have one on it, so I've added it. Go to save. It is what saved. So now we come to terms again. All terms of term details. This is what we added. In case you want to make any change, click on the pencil icon. It will take you to the term details table for you to make any changes of your choice. Now click on close. Now that we are done with the terms, let's come to students. So ask students, the student first name, let's say Kofi, last name, and the class, select the class BS1, then the gender is male. Alright, now if you want to upload, just go to upload a picture. So just browse to where pictures are. Pictures. Okay, let me go here. Just select any picture. Yes, then save it. Save. Yes, there's one thing I forgot. Like in case you already know your students. Okay, let me add a second one too. The next one is going to be a queer Sika, the class, let's say BS1, the gender female. So in case you already know your students, their conduct and their interest, you can click on the show conduct here. If you click on show conduct, it will come, select the interest. When you are done, you select the attitude. Yes, click on select the attitude, and the total attendance, you just enter it here. But if you are not familiar with them, you can ignore this one. Add a picture, then you click on save, because this one you can do it later. Click on save. Just that is it. So you close this one. Come to students again. Come to conduct. Yes, so if you're not able to do that, maybe getting to the end of the term, or when you get to know your students better, can come here. So the first student, a queer Sika, click on this one, can add the attitude, the interest to the same thing to Kofi and San. You can add attitude and you can add the interest. Come to schools again. Then come to active students. So far we have 2 active students, and now they are all in the same class, because in that case you cannot filter by class. Let's go students and add one more student. Then the next one will be Granshare. Then the class, let's say class 2. So you click on the drop down BS2, then the gender male. Let me add a picture here. So go to save, and it is what saved. So click on close. Now let's come to the students. Active students, there are 3. So now we have both class 1 and class 2. When you select the classes, let's say BS2, seeing it is showing only students in BS2. Go feel with this student, we didn't add the attitude and interest. That's why the space is blank. We can go and do that anytime. Then select BS1. Then if you want all the students to show, click on this one, and it will all the students will show. In case for the gender too, you can filter by gender: female to show female, male to show only male. Just clear it. In case you want a specific student, let's say Kofi, just enter Kofi. Then it's not necessary to enter the full name. So when you search for Kofi, see only Kofi is what showing here. So that is it for the students. When we come to inactive students, the inactive students is a situation whereby the student is no more member of the school. In that case, let's go to active students. Let's say Kofi is no more, or has left the school to different school, or is no more. You just click on this one. Then here you can see that it's active is ticked. So untick it, update it, and now let's go back. So now when we go to students and inactive students, you can see that Kofi's name is now showing here. And when we come to students, come to active students, now instead of 3, they are now 2. So that is it. Then we go to students again, come to graduates. So graduates is where when students have graduated, they are all graduated students, their names will appear here. Since if there's no graduate here, that's why we are not seeing anything here. Now the next one, we are done with the students. Come to scores. So the scores, go to add scores. So the add scores, when we click on the students, the student name, see we are seeing all the names. But when we select, okay, let me select a student. It says you must select a class before selecting a student. This one will help us not to score student who is not in our class. In case maybe you are using this system for multiple classes, it will guide you in order not to select a student who is not in your class. So the moment you select the class, let's say BS2, you can see that it's showing only students in BS2. When we select BS1, to show only students in what BS1, and that's what makes this one secured in order not to score marks to students that are not in our class. So BS1, add it, select subject computing, then the marks, give marks to them. So the exam score, the term for term 1, then you save it. Then come to the same student. We are done with computer. Come to mathematics. So term 1, save it. So we are to add another student, score another student. This one to computing. What score? Add the scores. For term 1, just save it. The same student, you score, say mathematics, yes. Then you add the term, save it. So now we go to BS2. So BS2 to only one student, select the subject, score the marks. Yes, it says project score cannot be more than 15. Yes, the maximum should be 15. It shouldn't exceed 15, but I entered 16. That's why it is prompting me. And the exams too, the maximum should be 100. If you enter more than 100, it will not work. So let me score mathematics 2. Alright, so now that I'm done scoring, then I'll go back to scores again, come to all scores. So the all scores, it will show all the scores here. In case you want to see the subject, particular subject, this is what is showing. Yes, so that is it. For the term, since there's only one term, you cannot filter. By a situation whereby we have multiple terms, then we can get different terms from it. So now when we go to clear, it will show everything here. Now from scores, we go to report. So the reports, click on report, first assessment. So the assessment, in case you want to preview the first one, you have to preview specific student assessment. You want to see how it looks like before you print or you export. So here you select the class, then you select the subject, then you select the term, and you preview it. So now we are having two students from class 1, and these are their assessment scores. Yes, when you select BS2, you know BS2 is only one student, and there is a assessment score for computing. Yes, because you selected only computing. When you select mathematics, it will show the assessment score for mathematics. So that is it. In case you want to print the assessment, you just come to print. So here you have to confirm yes, then you wait. Since my computer is not connected to printer, that is why it is asking me to save as what PDF. So here you select your location where you want to save, and you just click on save. But since I don't want to save, I'll cancel it, and it will ask me again. You see, for the printing is different from the export. If it were to be export and I cancelled, that would be well. But the printing, since it prints it report by report, that's why it is still asking me. So just cancel it. Okay, since there are two, like as I'm printing, or in BS2 there's only one student for both computing and mathematics. So when it finished printing computing, it will print that of mathematics. That's why it prompted me to enter the name twice. Yes, so like BS1, that there are 2, then now I have to prompt me 4 times for the two subjects for 2 subjects for the 2 people. Yes, so that will be 2 to 4. So to prompt 4 times. But when we come to the export is different. When I click on export or go to yes, this one, it will export everything. And here it is asking for folder name. So here you can just create a new folder, or if you have a folder that you've already created, you can browse to where the folder is. You select that one. So like for example, if I select document, now I click on OK. When I click on OK, everything will be exported there. I don't want to do so, just cancel it, and now it is done. So that is it for the assessment. Let's go to reports again. Come to report cards. So the report cards, you select the student, automatically the class will be selected. Yes, then we come to the term, select the term. Let's preview to see how the report card will be. Yes, so this is how the report card for each student will be like. Yes, so when you look at it and it is okay for you, then you close it. Or here you can see everything here. The attendance, because we didn't add the attendance, that's why the attendance space is what empty. But the total attendance is here, promoted to is here. Then I think everything is there. Everything is here. The number on row in BS1 there are 2 students, so that's why it is showing 2 students here. The position, everything. So let me close it. In case we want to print, you just click on print. Yes. Since there's no printer, it will ask us to save it or cancel it. Come to export, the same thing. Since there's, select your folder or give it you browse to where your folder is. After then you click on OK to export all your reports in case you want to print them later. Then that is it for the report too. When we come to promotion, click on promotion. Then here we have promote students. Click on it. Then you select a class. If you want to promote class base, select a class. Let's say BS1. Click on promote, and it will prompt you promote 1 students in this class. Do you want to continue? If you say yes, it will automatically promote all the students in this class. But if you want to promote all students in the whole school, just click on this one to just say about to promote active students. So we have 2 active students. There were 3, but one is inactive. There are 2 inactive students. It will promote all of them, irrespective of the class or the level in which they are. So that's the 2 options. The moment you just click yes, it will promote everyone. Now the final button or the final part, come to the settings. So the settings, we have manage users. So here is where you can delete, you can edit. You come here, you can make changes to the user details in case you want to do so, or you can delete the user. This will delete with me from the system. Do you want to proceed? If you click yes, it will delete it. If you click no, then that is it. Let's go back to settings again. Come to activate database. Yes, in case if you've not gotten your activation code, then that one you have to activate, because this one is time bound. In case you get it and you want to activate, you come to settings, activate, you enter your activation code. After you go to activate, and you get a fully functional school-based assessment. This automated. Yes, it is automated and it works fine. I bet you if you get it, you like it. You like the way it works. But for the first 20 people who will get, no, let me make it 50. The first 50 people, there's a promotion for you. You'll get 70% off for you. So in case you are interested, kindly contact me for a copy for a cool price. Like I'm saying, 50%, you'll get 70% discount for the first 50 people who contact me for a copy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching till this time. Please, until we meet again, take care and bye bye.